Top 3 best apps to make money fast. What if I told you there are apps you can open right now and start making real money fast from your phone? Today I'm going to walk you through the top 3 best apps to make money fast, how they work, what to watch out for, and which one might be the perfect fit for you. Number 3. Clickworker. This app gives you micro tasks like data entry, online research, or small writing jobs. The advantage? You can start almost immediately, choose tasks based on your interest, and cash out as you go. The downside? Each task pays relatively modestly, and it might take several tasks to reach a substantial amount. Ideal user: someone who has some spare time, wants flexible gig work, and prefers doing small chunks of work rather than full freelance projects. Number 2. Swagbucks. With this one you can earn money by taking surveys, watching videos, doing online shopping, or playing games. The upside: it's very easy to get started, tasks are simple, and you can accumulate rewards even in short sessions. The trade-off: per task earnings are low and you'll need steady participation to build anything meaningful. Ideal user: someone who wants to make extra cash during downtime, waiting for an appointment, commuting, etc., and doesn't expect to replace a full income but wants to boost earnings. Number 1. Upwork. If you're ready to go beyond microtask and want something faster and more substantial, Upwork is a freelance marketplace where you can pick up projects writing, design, programming, or consulting and earn significantly more per job. The advantage: potential for higher earnings and more meaningful work. The disadvantage: you'll have to build a profile, apply for gigs, compete with others, and invest more effort. Ideal user: someone with a skill to offer, ready to commit some time, and wants to shift from small tasks to serious gig work that pays better. So there you have it, from micro tasks to moderate rewards to full freelance gigs, we've explored 3 of the best apps to make money fast. Each one has its place depending on how much time you have, how quickly you want to earn, and how much effort you're willing to put in. Before you dive in, a few quick tips. Check payout methods: PayPal, direct deposit, gift cards, understand any fees or minimums, and always evaluate whether the effort matches the reward. Making money fast is possible, but it usually takes consistent action more than a single click. If you're serious about boosting your income, pick the app that fits your time and skill level, set a small target this week, and track your progress. You'll be surprised what you can build in short sessions. And don't forget to check the description for tools and helpful links that can make things easier for you. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more.